Imagine this for a moment. You wake up tomorrow and for whatever reason your salary stops. No warning, no transition, just stops. Now be honest with yourself. How long would your current lifestyle survive? 1 month? 2 months? Maybe 3? That uncomfortable silence you're feeling right now. That's the reality for most high-earning professionals. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move from salary dependence to real financial stability by building rental income that replaces your job as your primary source of security. Because the goal is not just to earn well, the goal is to become independent of your job. Hello, my name is Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I have worked with professionals across organizations such as Safaricom, PwC, Unilever, and many others, helping these professionals transform high income into long-term financial independence. And I've seen this pattern repeatedly. People who earn well but remain financially fragile, and others who quietly build rental income and become truly secure. In fact, many of my clients today own multi-unit apartment buildings, generating consistent income that no employer can take away. If you want help building that kind of stability for yourself, I am available to support you. You can book a one-on-one strategy session using the link in the description below. Also, if you find this content valuable, please subscribe, share it, and turn on the notifications. Let's jump right into it. Here is the real problem. High income, low stability. Most professionals believe if I earn more, I will be secure. But that is simply not true, because income is not stability. Income is activity-based, and if you stop working, the income stops. That means your entire life is dependent on your health, your employer, your industry, and the economy. That is not stability. That is exposure. True stability comes from income that does not depend on your daily effort. Here is a shift from active income to passive income, because there are two types of income. Active income, that is a salary. This requires your time, stops when you stop, is highly taxed, and has limited scalability. On the other hand, passive income, such as rental income, it continues whether you work or not, grows over time, can be structured and optimized, and builds long-term wealth. The entire game is this: convert active income into passive income. That is the shift. Why rental income works and why it's different. Now, there are many investment options, but for busy professionals, most of them fail one key test. They do not create reliable long-term income. Let's be honest. Savings accounts, they preserve money, don't grow it. They preserve money but don't grow it meaningfully. SACCOs, good discipline, limited skill and no growth. Stocks require skills, are volatile, while treasury bonds, no capital growth, and businesses are time-intensive and risky. Farming, not passive. Rental real estate, when done correctly, solves all this. Why? Because it gives you predictable monthly income, multiple tenants reduce risks, you have control over performance, it has long-term appreciation and inflation protection. And most importantly, it gives you income that continues even if you don't work. Now here is where many people go wrong. They believe I need to build property from scratch, or I'll buy one apartment at a time. This is one of the biggest traps, because building is capital intensive, it is risky, It is time consuming and has no proven income at the start. And buying single apartments, one tenant has higher vacancy risk. They are often overpriced, giving weak returns, and this is why many professionals never gain traction. The smarter approach is this: acquire existing multi-unit rental properties. Why? Because they generate income, you can verify performance, they are easier to finance, and risk is spread across many tenants. This is the same strategy that has worked repeatedly for my clients and even in my own family history. Let me give you perspective. There was a man earning a modest income as a clerk. Nothing extraordinary. He came across an opportunity to buy a rental property. At first he thought, this is too big for me. But he took the step, used a small deposit, got financing, and let the rent pay the loan. That one decision funded his family's life, enabled early retirement, and created long-term wealth. This is the power of rental income. It replaces dependence with control. Now, let me make this practical for you, giving you the 5-step framework to move from salary to stability. Here is how you start. Number 1, understand your current position. You cannot move forward without clarity. You need to know your income, your expenses, your savings capacity, and your borrowing power. This is your starting point. Step number 2, define your target. What are you aiming for? To replace 30% of your income, 50%, or even 100%? You need a clear target, because without that, you are just guessing. Step number 3, accumulate investment capital. This is where discipline comes in. You may need to reallocate spending, liquidate non-performing assets, and structure your savings. This is not about sacrifice, it's about reprioritization. Step number 4, learn how to identify good deals. This is critical because you must understand rental income versus expenses, location dynamics, tenant demand and pricing, because a good property makes your life easier, while a bad one creates stress. Step number 5, execute with structure. And this is where most people fail. They hesitate, they overthink, and they delay. But execution, it is what changes your life. Here is something powerful, a hidden advantage most people don't see. When you acquire the right property, your tenants pay your loan. Let that sink in. You are not building wealth from your salary alone. You are using other people's rent to build your asset base. That is leverage. And over time, the loan reduces, the income increases, and the property appreciates. And your dependence on your job disappears. Now, why doesn't everyone do this? 3 reasons. 3. Mindset. The numbers feel too big. Strategy. They don't know the right approach. Execution. They don't have guidance. So they stay where they are, earning well but stuck. Remember this, and it is important. You don't need to quit your job. You use your job as your funding engine, as gives you credibility with lenders, and as your launch platform. Then gradually, the rental income takes over. Let me ask you, have you ever felt financially exposed, even with a good income? Or have you already tried investing but not seen real results? Let me know in the comments. I read all of them. Let's bring this together. The problem is simple. You're earning well, but your life is still dependent on your salary. That is not security. The solution is also simple. Build rental income that replaces your job dependence. Now, if you want to go deeper, if you want a clear and personalized path then I invite you to book a free strategy session with me. During this session, we will map out your current financial position, identify the gaps holding you back, and design a step-by-step plan to move you toward rental income and financial independence. This is not theory. This is a structured path tailored to you. Click the link in the description below and book your session. If this video challenged your thinking, hit the like button and share it with somebody who earns well but needs this shift. And most importantly, please subscribe, because I'll continue showing you how to move from income to independence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.